Oh, look at the horsey, Aya. You ride the horsey? She's like trying to make him giddy up. You ride the horsey?
He looks really bored.
Oh, look at her. Yeah.
So cute.
I don't know that she needs me to ride next to her. She's not scared at all. You see the horsey? Okay, so it's recording right now. To stop, you press that button, and to start it, you press it again. Go. Okay, here we go. Say, here we go. Hey, hey, hi. Oh, she's not even gonna look at me. Stinker. Hey, Aya. Hey, Aya. Oh, she's in her own world. How fun. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it after she goes by so I can look at her.
Okay.
Oh.